Hi everyone. Today is the day to celebrate Shivaji's or Choton's life. We all know certain things are not in our hands. We will miss Choton very dearly. But let's celebrate Shivaji's life today. Choton for me and Shivaji for many. I met up with this beautiful soul way back in the 1990s while he was hardly 15 or 16 years old. I bet, as with most of you, he connected straight with me and not only came closer with my immediate family, but also with the extended ones like my cousins, my second cousins, my great grandparents' family. Choton, as we called him fondly, was a cynosure for everyone, for his endearing personality. He would leave a mark even from a distance with his roaring laughter. I'm sure everyone would agree here that the moment he entered a room, there was so much brightness around. Everything would change. There would be fun, laughter, happiness, and positive energies, and these were all so infectious, making friendship seemed like an innate attribute, and invariably he left a pleasant impression on everyone's mind, whoever he's come across. Choton is like a younger brother to me, and likewise a new family member for the rest. I remember way back in the 90s when we used to go for the movies in the theaters in Guwahati, how protective he was towards me and my sisters, even though he was much, much younger than us. He had a knack for impersonating different characters, and he would not spare anyone. And they were so very funny that we would burst out laughing. People around would think that we were all crazy, but such was life with Choton around. A life full of life and laughter. Spreading happiness, I guess, was his mantra. My bond with Choton only grew stronger over the past 3 decades. He was very fair, always stood by me in every phase of my life. In fact, I remember just the last quarter of last year and also the beginning of this year, he shared few of his dream projects with me, and he was so passionate about. I just hope and pray someday, soon, these projects could shape up, and he would definitely be happy from the above. For me, Choton was the very embodiment of life, laughter, happiness, who lived his life to the aim. I'm glad that he lived life king size. Choton, we all love you. We miss you, and we pray that your beautiful soul rest in eternal peace.